Hi everyone, my name is Trey Moss. I have 2 kids and a beautiful wife, third kid on the way, so looking forward to having a couple more of these guys. I am a science teacher here at Avondale Academy for middle school and high school students. This is my second year, and I've had a lot of fun with it. A lot of struggles, but a lot of good times as well. Short-term goals are to graduate. Sounds like a good start to me. I want to teach for a couple more years and learn how to really work with this population of students and figure out their educational needs as best as I can. I'd really like to go back and get my PhD for long term, and just study how to create a better classroom environment and better ways for alternative students to achieve what they're capable of. What I hope to learn from this class is hopefully a portion of how to do just that. I want to create a curriculum that is long-lasting and effective for students that maybe don't make it at a normal school. And I just want to better tailor everything to my kids, and I hope this class can help me with that. So I look forward to working with all of you guys, and yeah, let's have a good semester.